Hey guys, it's Mr. Zebra and Coolblue123, and today we'll be playing some Turf Wars on mineplex. Woo!
Let's do this. Okay.
Yeah, come on guys. Let's build some crap. Alright. I'm building an elephant, because I'm rad awesome. No, why must you always ruin my elephant, bro? Hooray, happy day. Hooray. Whoa! Ow, forgot about that. Oh god, somebody's aiming a bow right at me. Alright, come on. And fire. Yeah! Eat it. Oh, he shot me. What a butt. Stupid death stroke. Why do they have to build a big wall?
Oh, I died.
Oh, how did I not kill that guy?
Oh, crap. I forget, what do ultras get when they're...
I don't know. It's some good kit. I think it comes with, like, a bunch of arrows and a sword, so it's, like, the best kit.
Are we winning? Oh, no, we're losing by, like, a little bit. Dang it, people. Get better. Oh, I think I'm here.
Oh, my God. How did I die there? That was so stupid. Hey, mother. Why do you have to kill me when I'm trying to sing Hey, Mother?
I mean, like, wait, what the heck? Why is there snow right there?
Because people like snow around here.
I like the ultra.
Why do I keep getting shot? My God.
Yeah, that's so ultra.
Oh, that guy shot me in the face. I'm not happy.
Oh, we're not losing by that much.
Mad. Oh, ninja skills. Watch out. Oh, he's good.
I'm gonna get this guy.
Ow, really? Right when I'm about to kill someone?
Yes! I'm on blue territory when it's building time.
Because you're against the ice. Yeah, that makes sense.
I love doing that. So much fun.
Brian's gonna pop some tags. Only got $60 in his pocket.
Oh, crap. I'm really...
Oh, time to play.
Oh, I was like when it starts the game back and I'm on blue, it's so slow.
What?
Like you can barely move when it's building time and you're on blue. Oh,
Oh, he killed me. I suck at this game.
don't have an iron sword right in here and just.
Ooh! I keep dying. Isn't fair, peeps. Yeah, in the face.
Woohoo! Still losing though.
Whatever. We can lose, but we have to lose with honor and sacrifice and tragedy.
Oh, so hard. Oh,
I killed the guy, but then another guy shot me, so like a boss.
We're losing by 10. 10, 10. Oh, prison.
Yeah, eat it.
Got another point. Woohoo!
Watch out! Yeah.
Oh, you won people with iron sword. That's good.
All right, I killed. Well, what the?
Oh, we're losing.
How are we losing? I just shot like a bunch of people.
Okay, I got some points back. Oh, build time. Dang it! And I just died.
I'm on the other person's side in build time.
Oh, lucky. I have to get behind a castle. Like, oh, perfect. And go. Yes, I made it. I made it on the other person's side. You better just.
I'm just flying over there.
Oh, you can destroy buildings. Oh, someone killed me, but I killed someone at the same time.
Oh, I got shot in the face.
Here. We're winning!
Yay!
Oh, we're winning. Oh my gosh, they have 7. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Yeah!
Yeah, we win! grandmother. There's an ended road that we discovered. Woo! Alright, that was fun, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. See ya.